Alright, good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. The rally continues, and we're getting close to some interesting levels. We filled the rollover gap on the bonds with the trade up to 133.28. Now we're messing with the minor downtrend line. If you go back to the July and August highs and you connect those highs, we're hitting that trend line right up at 133.01 today, and we're very close to the daily Bollinger on the bonds at 133.15. We haven't seen that since the rally ended back on May 1st. That's how powerful this down move has been. This is the first time since May 1st that we've even gotten close to the upper daily Bollinger Band at 133.15. So we got to see what happens here. You know, the rally today, I think, got its kick start from what was going on in Europe. They had some weak economic data in Germany, and the bunds were off to the races. They've made some recent new highs along with gilts, and I think everything except maybe Spanish debt and Italian debt. I didn't look closely at that, but I know there were some rumors this morning about Italian debt downgrades because of the political situation that's going on there. But you know, when you see these major economies, their bonds are all rallying, you know, you got to go with the flow. So we're going to see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 5-year auction, and we also have some economic data tomorrow. I think durable goods are actually supposed to be stronger, unlike the data that we've seen so far this week and some of the data late last week. So if we start to get some stronger economic data, we could see a little pullback. You know, the bonds have almost rallied close to 3 points off its most recent low on, what was it, Friday? So maybe it's time for a little bit of a breather. It didn't dip much at all today. I think there was one dip early this morning that I actually had my stop too tight and got stopped out on. But hopefully you were able to jump back in, unlike me. Now, what? Like I said, let's go see what happens tonight into tomorrow morning on the upside. Daily close over 133.01 opens up some further upside. And that daily Bollinger at 133.15 is going to be some key resistance too. So we'll see what happens there. I'm not going to recommend any kind of a short until the market tells me something along those lines, even though I think the market could pull back a little bit tomorrow. We've been beaten down so hard since May 1st that you know, a rally from what, 128 and some change on the bonds up to 133, 5 points, it's not that much. So we could see some more rally. Watch those resistance levels. Let's see what happens up there tomorrow into the 5-year and into that durable goods number. Have a great night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.